Hello guys, my name is Ben and this is Bad Bikes, and today we are going to be changing out my tire because in the last video my tire popped. You begin by removing the wheel itself from the bike. Let's go, baby! There we go. Woo! High five! Then you take the tire from the rim. And after that, you take the inner tube out of the tire. This got bent right here, so I'm gonna try to bend it back. There we go. After that, I replaced the tire tube. What? That was easy. Woo! Alright, let's put this thing on the bike. Alright, you might be wondering why I'm not happy right now. That's a good question. The reason is because I used the wrong tube size.
Man.
So when I exchanged the old inner tube for a new one, I didn't see the little green line on the old tube. And that green line tells you what size the inner tube is. The green is the big size, but all I had were the blue ones, which were the small size. And I didn't know any better, so I slapped the blue inner tube on the tire, blew it up, and then I realized the inner tube was too small. So I had to replace both the tire and the tire tube so that they would both fit together. Yeah. Woo! Alright, let's put this on the bike. and my bike was officially fixed. I also changed out the front tire too, just so that they would both be matching. As always, my name's Ben, and this is Bad Bikes, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.